Hey everyone, ever tried learning Spanish and just ended up saying, no hablo español a lot? Well, learning Spanish doesn't have to be super hard. Today, I'm sharing 5 easy tricks to learn Spanish fast. You'll be saying, hola mundo, in no time. Let's go. First up, forget moving to Spain. You can make your own little Spain at home. Start labeling things. Coffee cup, cafe, chair, silla. Soon your house will be full of Spanish words. Just don't call your dog El Sofa by mistake. Next, think like a kid. Kids are awesome at learning languages. So read kids' books, sing nursery rhymes, or watch cartoons in Spanish. Singing head, shoulders, knees, and toes in Spanish might seem silly, but your brain will thank you. Plus, it's way less embarrassing than messing up your Spanish on a date. Here's a secret trick, the 80/20ths rule. Learn the 20% of Spanish words that you'll use 80% of the time. Don't worry about learning fancy words like platypus when you really just need to know how to say bathroom. Next, talk to yourself. I know it sounds weird, but try talking about your day in Spanish. Like, estoy cocinando arroz, which means I'm cooking rice. You might feel silly, but hey, you're speaking Spanish, and you're the perfect conversation partner. You won't interrupt yourself. Last tip, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning a language is like learning to dance. You'll mess up sometimes, but that's okay. My first time speaking Spanish, I accidentally said, I'm pregnant, instead of I'm excited. Oops, but you just gotta laugh and keep trying. That's it. 5 easy tricks to learn Spanish. So which trick are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Hasta luego.